Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to install Razer Cortex Game Booster. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To install Razer Cortex Game Booster, you can't follow these steps. So the first step would be, go to the official Razer Cortex website, link in the description below. Look for the download now or a similar button on the website. Click on it to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the download and installer file. It's often located in your browser's download folder or on your desktop. Double click on the installer file to run it. Now, the installer will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. During the installation, you may be prompted to choose an installation location on your PC. You can usually leave it as the default, or just choose a different location if needed. Now, allow the installer to complete the installation process. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you may have the option to launch Razer Cortex immediately. If not, you can find the program in your start menu or on your desktop. Now, if you don't have a Razer account, you might need to create one during the setup process. If you already have a Razer account, log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, explore the features of Razer Cortex, including the Game Booster functionality. Use the Game Booster to optimize your system for better gaming performance. This may include boosting FPS, managing background processes, and more. And always download software from the official website to ensure that you are getting the latest and legitimate version. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.